Hi, this is Art with OCRV. Wanted to show you this project. We had some video earlier of it when it was in we were in assembly, and so this is the finished project. This nice cabinet that we built for the customer, TV lift cabinet with some really nice storage and very nicely finished off shelves. Everything looks factory or better. Nice deep drawers on really nice glides, full extension drawers, and this really nice TV lift 43-inch Sony TV in that TV lift cabinet. Built this nice settee here. It had two little chairs and this little uncomfortable. The customer wanted a booth type setup with some nice storage drawers, nice flush mount, full extension drawers. Really nice fit and finish, some beautiful leather work with some nice French seams in it. Also did the front driver's seats for the customer as well. So they were real happy with it. So now they're back. They want to do a custom sofa with recliners in it to match this furniture and the leather. So they've dropped it off. We're going to go ahead and start that project. Also on this coach, it's a 2015 or 16 Winnebago tour. So they're having a lot of problems when they're dry camping, battery packs going down. So we're actually going to convert it. Winnebago used 12-volt, 6 12-volt batteries in their battery pack, and just doesn't hold up. So we're going to replace those 6 12-volt batteries with 4 L16 6-volt deep cycle batteries, which will give them about 3 times the power that they have from stock. Our guy that sews for us up in the front there, he's just amazing. You look at these beautiful stitching and the seams are just awesome. And then we rebuilt with some, added some good structural foam in the seating surface and added a little bit back here for a little bit more lumbar support and recovered these chairs in a nice leather. Now they're just beautiful driving chairs. So if any work that you would like done, remodel work, service, paint, body, give us a call at OCRV in Anaheim, and we'd love to help you out with your coach. Thanks.